Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new network option to Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android for a network rover. Now, I'm using a Hemisphere S631, but you can use any receiver you so desire. So what I did before the video started was I created a new profile that I paired and got a fix with on my S631 receiver. But if you need to know how to create a new pairing, I'm just going to link to a video in the top right corner on creating a new network pairing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the receiver and gear icon in the top right corner. That's going to open up my instrument settings. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll to where it says corrections, and I'm going to hit the three dots here to edit it. And then you can see my internet is set to data collector and my data source is set to NTRIP Stormcaster. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Stormcaster profile. So I'm going to hit the three dots to the right of NTRIP Stormcaster. That's going to open up all my data source options, at which point I'm going to hit Add New Data Source. You can see I get my new correction source menu here where I can add a name, a correction type, the address of my login information, the port, and the username and password. Now I've got some of that blurred out, obviously, but the point still stands. You can add whatever username and password so fits your network here, as well as all the other network information. Once I have that all entered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Done. That's going to save my new data source. And once I have it selected, I'm going to hit Done and then Connect here. That's going to initialize, again, the Bluetooth pairing to my receiver and make sure that the corrections are being streamed from my data collector, as I'm using data collector internet, to the receiver. You can see now I get a list of mount points. I'm just going to use this Calg South out of our Chinook network, which if you're in Calgary, give us a shout. We've got a full-blown network that you have access to if you so desire. So once that's all connected here, I'm going to hit confirm. That's going to configure my port, and once it's all complete, I'm going to be taken back to my GNSS rover profile, at which point if I hit done, I'll be brought back to my map screen, and you can see I have an RTK fix. Now, it's not a great fix because my base station is quite a ways from me. It's on the complete opposite end of town. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add a new data source to Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android for network rovers. And if you have a moment, I will please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.